comments. Well, that's all, folks. Hey, my loves, welcome to what channel I'm on today. Hey, my loves, welcome to Women 50 and Beyond. And today on Women 50 and Beyond, we are doing an unboxing. Why I'm using my hands? An unboxing of one of my favorite camera brands. As you all know, if you read my description all the way down, it shows the cameras that I've been using actually since 2012, and again in 2018, because now I have three cameras. My Canon T3i, I will put a picture right here. I've been working with this camera, and this is what we're filming on right now, is my Canon T3i EOS. I love this camera since 2012. 10 years I've been using this camera. 10, and I had no problem. It actually, when you upload, you can upload your videos to YouTube on a 4K, HD 4K. Woo, Jesus, amen. My pictures look really clear, crisp on this Canon T3i. So with that being said, my other camera is a Canon, of course, a Canon EOS M10. This camera, once again, I love it. I've been using this since 2017 when I got this camera. The features, I will do a whole separate video on features on all three cameras. It will be a long video because they have some good features. But anywho, I've been using this one since 2017. This is a flip up. My Canon T3i is a flip out. This one here is a flip up. I'm loving this. Canon T3i is a heavy camera. I stopped carrying that around when I got this one here. Once again, I'm loving it. My Canon T3i will be still used for like what I'm doing now, depending. We'll see. Not getting rid of, if anyone's going to ask, I'm not getting rid of my cameras. None. Zero. Zilch. I work hard for these cameras. And they still in good condition. Canon, thank you for having a great quality cameras. Anywho, my Canon EOS M10. This one flips up. The only con I have about this camera here, is it close? Yeah. Only problem I have, and it's not a major problem, it's just when you put it in your purse, when you're going around, you have to be careful. Like when you close it and then you close this top piece here, it only closes that much. But when you put it in your purse, you seriously have to be careful. Because, you know, I take this off and I sit it in my purse, but once again, I have to be real careful what's in my purse. So it scares me to carry this around in my bag. The lens actually come off to where you can actually put on another lens, but we're not here to talk about this camera. Like I said, the features on all three cameras will be coming soon. So yeah, this camera here, the autofocus, it takes a second. We're going to do a comparison between this one and my new one. It takes a second for it to autofocus. I will do a video and put it up side by side on which one is which. So once again, I love this camera. It went everywhere with me, just about everywhere with me, that I'm not scared to put it in my purse. So this is the Canon EOS M10. Loving it, still love it. I have no problem with my camera. So let's get on to the unboxing. And I'm not going to lie, I had already unboxed this camera, but I unboxed it to actually plug the battery in. But we're going to do a unboxing. I put everything back in the box to unbox it again on camera. So with that being said, let's get on to this one. I don't know if I'm old or new to it, but I just want to say thank you to Canon for this camera. This is the Canon Dare to Dream Video Creator Kit. As a creator kit. This is that box. The outside of the box. It says Discover, Inspire, Create. It is a pretty camera box. I'm not going to even throw this away. Everything that comes in this box, let's put my glasses on. Let's keep my glasses on. Everything that comes into this kit is, you get, Jesus, a Powershot G7X Mark II. Then you get a wrist strap, battery pack, battery charger. You get a tripod. You get a 32 gigabyte SD card, and then you get an extra battery. Yes, extra. Read all about it. We got the Powershot G7X Mark II. I don't know how old or why they brought this back out, but hey, it's out and I'm here to do an unboxing. I know I opened this box already. There we go. Let's start off with the small stuff before we get into the big stuff. Here we go. We have the tripod. It's cute, but when you put it on the table, you have to duck down, but it's cute. But this is the tripod. And it's good for vlogging. It's not bulky. It's really nice. Then you push this little button, and then you can move the ball around. So, tripod. Let's put it up here. I had already, it came into this thing here, but I already took it out. This is the extra battery. It's on the charger. No, it's not. Here's the extra battery. That's all that's in this box. It's so cute. This is what it comes in. Let's open her up. See, now I named my big camera, the Canon T3i. I named that Bessie, after my grandmother and my sister, who passed away. May they both rest in peace. And then I named this the Canon EOS 10 Pauline. Now this one here, I have to give it a name. Pauline is my mother's name. May she rest in peace. And the reason why I'm naming all my cameras after people I love is because they had inspired me. They have inspired me. They are my inspiration into a lot of things in life growing up. So that's why they are my flash. I had nothing. Okay, here we go with this box here. Okay, this is the extra battery that was supposed to be in that box, but like I said, I did unbox this already. Come on. We have the booklet that tells you everything about this camera. Then you have warranty. I'm going to fill this out. Let me fill this out. I'll probably do it online. Then you have the registration. I registered all my cameras. All my cameras are registered. So I have to register this one. You have things falling out of the box. You have the charger. That's nothing. You have the little strap thing. I don't use these, but they're cute to have. I use it on other stuff, but it's the strap you put on the camera, because I'm always using the tripod anyway. Then you have the battery pack. It opens Just put you on my lap. The battery pack opens this way and you plug it in. I like these type of things because you don't need a cord to plug it in because that's just too bulky. But I will get another one that has the double charge, like my other camera. Where was it located? Oh, it's in the kitchen. This one here. No, it's not. Here it is. My Canon my Canon EOS. This is the double charge for the charger because I have a couple of batteries. It's always best to have a backup battery. Now let's get into the camera. Let's put you here. Let's unwrap the baby. Bam! This is the, I said it at the beginning, what's the name of this camera? This is the Powershot G7X Mark II. I'm in love with this camera. I mean, I'm in love with all my cameras. But this is my new love. When they say you can't love too many people at one time, or it's not possible to love people, a lot of people, in love with a lot of people. I'm in love with all my gadgets. That made zero sense, but I'm in love with all my gadgets. But anyway, sorry my camera stopped. Let's turn this camera on so we can show you how compact this is. Look how small it is. Like literally in my hand. I could do this, you know, it's so compact. And then you can just like hold it in your hand and turn it on. Just one hand. See how it just comes out? This is too close to my face. But this is the back. The lens flips up this way. The lens also flips out this way. I don't know if you can see it. I'm going to have to stop filming with all this stuff in my background. My lovely shoes. But anywho, that's how it holds you. What was I saying? Oh, how the lens, the screen. Tara, screen. That's how the screen comes out. Comes out two different ways. This way. And this way. I have no idea what's the purpose of it this way, but we're just going to roll with it. Now, all the features at the top here, we're going to go through this, like I said, in a whole different video. I just wanted to come on and introduce my new camera. Say cheese. So, compared to this one, see, you can't even see. See how small this one is compared to this one? And camera bags, that's not my thing. The comparison, this is smaller than this one here. So with that being said, I'm in love with my camera. So stay tuned for another video where we're going to be doing the specs, the features. We're just going to go over the different features on each camera, the pros and the cons and everything. I have to use this first in order to know the pros, the cons, and everything about this camera that I don't like or do like. I have to go outside and take different pictures with each camera so we all can see the difference in each picture. So with that being said, stay tuned. I hope this babbling video, I just want to say thank you to Canon. I'm in love with this camera.